Welcome, everybody. In front of me, I have two products that share a common feature on them. I recently got this one. You guys are familiar with this brand and what this is and what makes it special, right? But we also have this brand. I wanted to make this video to, show the different features because even though they have the same feature, I wanted to hear your opinion and see if you like it or not. If you agree with the way uh, diecast companies are heading now, like adding this type of things into diecast, or do you prefer more traditional diecast with just details and as close as 100% as details as they can get? Um, Start with this one. Let's crack them open and see how they look. This is not a comparison. I like both brands a lot. I just want to see how they did it. And this is the charging cable. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Usually don't buy RLCs because I'm not a big fan of chrome. But in this case, it's blue chrome, which is my favorite color. And it's my favorite Honda car. Got metal base. So yeah, this comes with lights. There's the switch. There's a charging port. Let's see if it has any charge. As you just saw, just open it. I don't know. I haven't charged it. Let's turn it on. I don't know. I don't think it has charge. Let's see. Let's try this again. And it's. Oh, wait. Look at that. This is like the button to turn it on and off. There it is. Push it again. And they all go off. Oh, no, just the back. Here. That's the unique feature of this one. That comes with lights. You know, I don't know if that's the future of diecast. Is that where a lot more diecast companies are gonna go and do? I did see that on the Malaysian Expo, Diecast Expo, the Greenlight announced RC cars, uh, which is interesting to me. And a lot of those cars were Fast and Furious. Surprise, surprise! Seems like everybody's getting the license of the Fast and Furious now. Mini GT has it, Greenlight, Jada, and of course Hot Wheels. This one, it's the Ram Mammoth 6x6 Hennessey. If you're not familiar with Hennessey, they're a car performance company, meaning that they don't manufacture any cars. but they take your car and make it fast. They're out of Texas. This one comes with an accessory. That's cool. And if you know who Post Malone is, he has a Velociraptor, which is the version of the F-150 with 6 wheels. They basically chop it up, extend it. Nice packaging, by the way. Extend it, and they add a lot of horsepower. This thing's heavy. You have opening part in the back, not opening part on the front, but that's okay. Rubber wheels, metal base. There's a charging and there's the button. This one's a little bit different, so you push the button once and they blink. You push it twice and they're solid. And then you push it one more time and it's off. Let's put this, actually no, because I'm gonna put it back in the package. So yeah, Hennessey, that's a cool company. They started with, I think, a McLaren or a Lotus, and they made it super fast, like crazy, crazy fast. Anyway, let me know what you think about lights on your diecast. You like it? You don't like it? You wish they just, you know, stay the same, more traditional diecast, or is this the future and where the market is headed? I personally like it. I think it'll be cool to see a police car with lights, a um, fire engine with lights. That'll be cool. Not gonna lie. And because those are bigger castings, you have, you can put the components in there. Smaller cars like this, honestly, I don't know how they did it. I know they had a red NSX with lights on top. I think it was a safety car, Hot Wheels. So they already had the system for it. Anyway, enough rambling. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, and yeah, will you be getting them or not? Thanks for watching. Until the next one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.